back porch. This room is bad. I gotta get everything out of this filing cabinet. That thing is so heavy to move. All those containers there, they got old file folders and stuff. It's old enough I can get rid of it. Oh, the black mold in here. It's awful. Yeah, storage room back here. This is holding up pretty good over here where I fixed it last year. It's starting to leak again. I need to put more tar up there. But the other end down there where it's leaking through so bad in that room down there, the entry, the whole porch and everything is caving in out there on the outside. It's just sinking into the ground. Can't really see anything out here. I know the dogs, I want to take them out, but I can't. I'm not going to take them out in this. They wouldn't go anyway. I know you can't see over there, but I cleared all that gutter and stuff today. I just threw it down there. There's a lot of vines growing in it, and cleared a lot of the leaves off of it. I'm going to work on it some more tomorrow.